Hi, it's Bill Kerbox with Operation Recovery Maui. Today we're in Makawao area of Maui, and we're at a Highly Miley restaurant and general store, and we're interviewing Chris because Chris is one of over 60 people that were affected. This restaurant that we're at right now is shutting down tonight. This is the last meal. So I noticed the products here, and I wanted to find out who made them, and it turned out Chris is making. Would you talk a little bit about how this has impacted you?
Yeah, so there's two sources of employment I have. One is my artistic things I sell, but also I work here at the restaurant. So obviously there's other restaurants as well, and Kihei, where my son works, his restaurant, I found out just yesterday, was closing as well, August 24th, for several months. So we are encouraging all of you to come support not only Maui, but the restaurants that are on Maui, and also all the artists that are here on Maui as well. We have thousands of employees and thousands of artists that would love your support to come back.
Please come back to Maui. We really need you here. Thanks for watching.